Okay, now our last word problem. I already told you 2 word problems on the test. I like word problems. I like fractions. So we're going to start the same way we did the previous one. We're going to read through the word problem. So researchers in Antarctica discovered a warm sea current under a glacier that is causing the glacier to melt. The ice shelf of the glacier had a thickness of approximately 450 meters when it was first discovered. The thickness of the ice shelf is decreasing at an average rate of 0.06 meters per day. What function can be used to find the thickness of the ice shelf in meters X since the days of discovery? Okay, that's a lot. And that's a lot of information we didn't really need. Okay, so let's first take a look at our answer choices. I noticed, well, most of them are written some sort of like slope-intercept form. Okay, I'm going to go with slope-intercept form. So what do I already need to know with slope-intercept form? I need a y-intercept and I need a slope. So let's go back up to our word problem. I'm going to only pull out the information or the keywords that I need. So what do I need? Well, I noticed that 450 meters when it was first discovered. I noticed this big word decreasing, and here's another rate of per day. Okay, so decreasing tells me that there's a subtraction in there. Per and that rate, that tells me this is slope. Okay, per and rate, that is slope. So I already know that my slope is 0.06 and slope is already always attached to x because it's per day. Okay. What else do I notice about my slope? Well, my slope is negative because it told me that the ice shelf is decreasing. Okay. I need one more thing. I need my y-intercept. Well, the problem went on to tell me that it had 450 meters when it was first discovered. Well, that's my beginning. Okay, so that would be plus my 450. Okay, so there's my slope-intercept form. Y equals mx plus b. There is my b. Now I'm going to look at my answer choices. Okay, so I'm looking at something with a negative. I need a negative slope. So let's look at our answer choices. Well, A would work. All right, that negative slope. B would work. C would not work. This is a positive slope, so C is not it. Okay. And D, well, D would not work. So remember, if we distribute there, that's still going to be a positive slope, so D is not it. So now I'm left with A and B. Okay. So let's see. If I were to distribute, I'd have a negative 0.06x on B. So that would give me my negative slope. But remember, I also need to distribute that negative 0.06 to that 450. So we can put it into slope-intercept form. And when I do that, I am left with 27. So that would give me a y-intercept of negative 27, which is not what I have here. And then let's look at A. Okay, well here I have that negative 0.06. It's attached to my x, so I know that this part is my slope, and that 450 is my y-intercept.